Good day, traders. This is Fred from Red Knight Trading, handle Trader X4. Today I'm going to speak about a call I made yesterday in our Telegram group with traders that are trading the Powerzone levels just like myself. Yesterday I placed this chart beforehand into the group, and I said that based on what I'm seeing, the price at some stage is going to try and make a beeline down to here, because it's probably going to try and do a retest of this zone. Okay, now looking at the chart, I like to try and keep a relatively clear chart, okay, so I can see the price action, a relatively uncluttered chart. All right, so here we are. It was getting towards the end of the day, and my suspicions were that the volume was probably going to die down for the rest of the day. So when I took this trade, I was quite wary that, okay, it might take a while to get down, it might even try and push up a bit and just meander around the place. So here we are. Two charts. I like to see two charts because I like to see what's happening on a larger time frame as well. If you're going to take a position, you really want to be looking at what's happening on the time frame above. And what I have here is a short-term power zone chart, and I have what's called a long-term zone chart. Now what the difference is between this and this is this chart is just levels. This chart has got levels and zones. Below here, you can't see it, but there are zones, buy zones, what we call buy zones. And above here, there are red sell zones. That doesn't necessarily mean that because you're here, you buy automatically, and because you're up there, you sell automatically, although it appears that, yes, you buy in this zone. Because sometimes you always have to keep in mind that the smart money, the cartels as I call it, can sometimes end up selling in the buy zones. And the reason they do that, or buying in the sell zones, is because there's plenty of buy orders, retail buy orders down here. So they will sell into it, or vice versa. If there's plenty of retail sell orders, they'll buy into it. In other words, just fill in the orders that are up here. Remember, for every buyer, there's got to be a seller, and vice versa. And sometimes that's how it works. So you have to bear in mind that can happen as well. So don't just blindly buy because you see buy. Keep in mind what you're seeing on the chart as well. These zones, these areas are merely an area where the smart money cartels are likely to be doing business, and the price can also rest. So for instance, if price comes down to here, from here down to here, it can sometimes meander around these zones before it takes off again, and vice versa. It can meander around the zone and then before it takes off again. So if you see price going up to here, okay, be careful. It's very hard for price to get through these zones before trying to reaccumulate or redistribute. All right, for those who are already using the power zones. Okay, but for those who aren't, then at least you can see how these things work. The Red Knight power zones work. They're an area where the smart money cartels are doing business, whether it be a quick move or accumulating or distributing. All right. So, as I said, I posted this yesterday in our Telegram group for the traders already trading the power zone levels, and I said that price is likely to try and make an attempt back down here, and I drew these arrows accordingly. So as you can see, it played out exactly as I said. All right, hence the term, the word bingo. It came down here and it came through the level, and on a higher time frame it came and hit the level. All right, so what I'm using is confluence. Whichever hits the level first, whether it be this one or whether it be this one, that is what I use to get out of a trade and then I'll sit back and wait and see what price wants to do next, whether it's going to come back up here and test this level. Remember, price does not move in a straight line, hence the reason why we get this zigzag scenario. So really, that is how to trade the power levels in a simple form. So if it is something you are interested in, yes, go ahead, hit me up on sales@redknighttrading.co.uk. If you look here, the website address is there and there. So for you traders who are still sitting on the sidelines, let's get you up and running and get you successful. Trader X4 signing out. Happy trading.